Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Hope we are all well by the Almighty Allah. Follow the topic Dialogue on How to Learn English. We will talk and discuss in this video about how to learn English. The lessons we will learn here: number 1, dialogue on how to learn English; number 2, article gaps; number 3, capitalization and punctuation. The 3 items we will discuss in this video. Just by careful attention, we have to follow the whole video from first to last. Part 1, Dialogue on How to Learn English. Follow the dialogue. Omid, what are you doing? Jason. Jason, I am reading an English article. The dialogue is started. Omid asks, what are you doing, Jason? Jason answered, I am reading an English article. It means Jason is reading an English article. Omid, I want to learn English as you, but how? Jason, okay, listen to me. Do you have an English grammar? Again Omid asks another question. He want to learn English? Yes, Jason. But how? He wanted to know. To Jason. Jason again answered, okay, listen to me. Do you have an English grammar? Jason told him if he had any English grammar. Omid, yes, but what to do? Jason, you to learn the function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. When Omid make another question, he has English grammar. Jason tells him he need to learn function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. Yes, Omid has English grammar. He needs to learn the grammatical function like sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. Omid, okay, but anything else? Jason, yes, you have to learn vocabularies more and more. Again, Jason tells Omid if he wants to learn English well, he needs to learn more and more vocabularies. This is the first page dialogue between Omid and Jason. Follow the second page. We came to second page with the dialogue how to learn English between two friends, Omid and Jason. Omid, how can I increase my vocabularies? Jason, to increase the vocabularies and draw a good command over the English language, you have to read and study English articles and stories, and the unknown words are to be memorized. If you follow this practice, you can learn English. When Omid asks Jason how can he increase his vocabularies, Jason answered, to increase the vocabularies, to draw a good command about the language, like English, he needs to memorize the unknown words, that is called vocabularies. And to increase this type of vocabularies, Jason helps him to read English articles, English storybooks, and so on. Omid thanks. I shall try to maintain the rules, steps and suggestions to learn my English. Jason, of course, thanks. Omid understood that the suggestion given by Jason is so excellent to him to learn English. So he thanked Jason and told him that he will try his level best to maintain the rules, steps and suggestions to learn English. Jason, of course, thanks. Jason, at the end of the dialogue or conversation, tells him that, okay. Thank you very much, my dear students. We read out the 2 pages of dialogue about how to learn English between Omid and Jason. This is the patronizing system here. 2 friends, Jason and Omid, speak English, how to learn English. Omid is poor in English, but Jason is excellent. So Omid wants suggestion to Jason how he can increase his command over the English language. Jason tells him if he wants to increase his good command over the English language, he needs to learn more and more vocabularies, and this is the first target to store the vocabularies to capture the language. And again, Omid has to learn English articles, English storybooks, and so on. If these systems are maintained by Omid, it is sure he will do better in English. Follow here, by practicing or practicing English, we can do better. And again, I give the chance to you as my dear students to learn the whole dialogue. Omid, what are you doing? Jason, I am reading an English article. Omid, I want to learn English as you. But how? Jason, okay, listen to me. Do you have an English grammar? Omid, yes, but what to do? Jason, you too. You need to learn the function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. Omid, okay, but anything else? Jason, yes, you have to learn vocabularies more and more. Omid, how can I increase my vocabularies? Jason, to increase the vocabularies and draw a good command about the English language, you have to read and study English articles and stories, and the unknown words are to be memorized. If you follow this practice, you can learn English. Omid, thanks. I shall try to maintain the rules, steps, and suggestions to learn my English. Jason, of course, thanks. Dear student, I gave the chance to read out the dialogue pages again. So, it will be easy for you to learn about how to learn English. Follow part 2, here article gaps. In the part 2, we will talk and discuss about article gaps. Before discussing article gaps, we need to read out again the whole passage. Omid, what are you doing? See Jishan. Jishan, I am reading an English article. Omid, I want to learn English as you, but how? Jishan, okay, learn to me, listen to me. Do you have an English grammar? Omid, yes, but what to do? Jishan, you need to learn the function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. Omid, okay, but anything else? Jishan, yes, but you have to learn vocabularies more and more. Follow here, we got already 5 blanks with articles in the same passage. This is the system to learn more and more experience from one article. Follow the article gaps or blanks. I am reading dash English stories. Okay, listen to me. Do you have dash English grammar? Jason, you need to learn dash function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. Okay, but dash anything else? Jason, yes, you have to learn vocabularies more and dash more. Already we complete reading out the whole passage. Now we have to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Let's go at first to see the answer once. Follow here the answer. First article an, English article. If we find any singular word with vowel a, e, I, o, u, we have to use an as an article before the word. So this is the system an, English an. Third article, you need to learn the function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. There the is correct here because any particular subject or subjects, we have to use the function of sentence. It means the function here is particular. So the is correct. Fourth blank, cross. If we see any word where no article is necessary, we have to use cross. But okay, anything else. Here no article is necessary, so we have used here or applied here cross. The same fifth blank, more and more. This is the word, one word. So in this word we need no use of articles. Okay? Follow again, I give the chance to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Why not before I have showed you the answer? It will be easy for you to now fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Try your level best and I hope you have done well having the answer, but we have to combine the answer to your exercise note or plan. Let's go to combine. Follow here again, I gave the answer to combine or match the answer you have written on your exercise note. An English article, an English grammar. The function of sentence, cross anything else, cross more. The students who have written this answer as per the rules and regulations are correct, no problem. Follow part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. In the part 3, we will learn about capitalization and punctuation mark. Before going to the exercise, we need at first read the whole passage again. Omid, what are you doing? Jishan, I am reading an English article. Omid, I want to learn English as you, but how? Jishan, okay, listen to me. Do you have an English grammar? Omit, yes, but what to do? Jason, you need to learn the function of sentence, parts of speech, tense, voice, narration, and so on. Omit, okay, but anything else? Jason, yes, you have to learn vocabularies more and more. Thank you, we already read out the whole passage. Follow here, there are 5 English words colored with red color. Try your level best to find out the faults given in each word, but the faults are particular. Capitalization or punctuation mark. These two types of wrongs are there in the 5 words. Article, listen, yes, okay, more. At first we need to see or behold the answer. Let's go to see the answer of the red color words. Follow the answer, article plus interrogative sign. Listen, L capital letter, yes, comma, okay, O capital letter, more plus full stop. This is the system. If we see any interrogative sentence, we have to use interrogative sign. At the beginning of the sentence, we have to use capital letter, L capital letter. If we stop half second by a word or sentence, we have to use comma. Here yes, comma. Okay, the same rules. If we start a sentence, we have to use capital letter at the first letter. More full stop. At the end of the assertive sentence, we have to use full stop. This is the system to learn capitalization and punctuation mark. Hope this type of learning will be easy for you if you carefully follow the video. Follow here again. I give the question to make answer yourself. Why not practical practice makes a man perfect? Article, listen, yes, okay, more. Hope you have done well and you have already answered in your exercise note. What is the wrong in the 5 words colored by red color? Article, listen, yes, okay, more. We have to remember only 2 types of mistakes are to be held in capitalization and punctuation mark. Okay? Let's go to combine and match the answer you have written on your exercise note and plan to your mind. Here give the answer. Notice and match or combine the answer. Hope you have done well. After article at the first position, interrogative sign. Second word, listen, at the beginning of the sentence, L capital letter. Yes, after yes, comma, if we have to use half second pause, we need use comma. Okay, at the beginning of the sentence, okay, so O here capital letter, more plus full stop. At the end of the assertive sentence, we have to use full stop. Okay. Thank you. Hope you